Hello, I am on my way to the dealership in Del Rio, Toyota dealership. Today is January 4th. It is 12:10 in the afternoon. I currently have 2,286 miles on my brand new Highlander Platinum Edition. Reason why I'm taking it in is because I get a real bad wind noise, both front windows, especially the driver's side. I'm going 75 miles per hour, which is the speed limit, and it is unbearable. I find myself having to raise up the radio louder than normal just to drown out that noise. Pretty bummed out about it because this is my wife's vehicle and she really likes it, especially being a platinum edition. Let me show you what it sounds like. Well, I had to slow down. Yep, all that is wind noise. Once I pass this trailer, you would be able to hear it a little bit louder. I'm going 65 now, but the speed limit is 75. I've called the dealership and I've asked them if they've had any problems, any TSBs, any complaints. Talked to the service advisor and he told me no, this is something new to us. They haven't reported any wind noise. Let me pass this 18-wheeler and then you can hear. Right now I'm going the speed limit, which is 75 miles per hour, and the wind noise is pretty bad. Today's the first day I'm going to take it in to see if we can get it corrected. I'm not sure if it needs a door seal, window seal, some kind of improvements. I don't know. I don't know what it needs. Like I say, it's a 2020 Highlander Platinum, 2,200 miles on it, and I hope they get it fixed. I'll keep you guys updated, but I don't know where to go from here if they can't get it fixed. So, thanks a lot.